friends, welcome to Anu's kitchen. Now it's the season of tomatoes. So I am going to show a sambar variety using tomatoes. That's called as Tomato Pitle. Now let's move on to the ingredients. Let's move on to the ingredients. 1.5 teaspoon of Channa Dhal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half grated coconut, required oil, 1 cup of cooked Toor Dhal, required water, 1.5 teaspoon of Dhania, 5 red chillies, required crystal salt, a few curry leaves, Hing, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, little tamarind juice and 5 tomatoes. Let's begin the preparation. You have to light the flame, take a pan and put some oil, and take Channa Dhal and roast it for a minute. Dhania, Fenugreek seeds and fry for a minute. After this we have to add the red chillies and grated coconut and fry it well for another minute. The ingredients are roasted well, we have to transfer it to a plate. Now take a pan and put the tamarind juice. I have taken only little juice because it becomes sour because you are adding tomatoes. If you add too much of tamarind juice, it becomes sour. And I am taking a few tomatoes. I have taken half of the tomatoes and the remaining I have kept it for grinding. And you can pour the required amount of water also. And just mix well. To this you can add little bit turmeric powder and mix well. Now we have to take the remaining tomatoes and grind it to a paste. Add the tomato paste and mix well. We have to add the required salt to it. To this, we have to add Hing also. Grind the roasted ingredients to a wet paste. Now the wet paste is ready. Now to this we have to add simultaneously the cooked Toor Dhal and mix it well. You can add little more water also to it. Now the tomato pitle is ready and switch off the flame. Now we have to do the tadka. For that you have to take a small pan. I have put little oil and I have put the mustard seeds. Allow it to splutter. Now the mustard seed starts fluttering and you can add the curry leaf and switch off the flame. Add it to the tomato pitle. Now the takali pitle is ready. Please do try this at home and give me a comment in the comment box.